Unit 1. Forms of government and democracy. Aristocracy, a form of government in which power is held by the nobility. Example, United Kingdom, Spain. Monarchy, a system of government in which one person reigns supreme, usually a king or queen. Constitutional monarchy. Example, Bhutan, Oman, Qatar. Autocracy, a system of government by one person with absolute power. Example, North Korea, Saudi Arabia. Oligarchy, a small group of people having control of a country or organization. Example, former Soviet Union, China, Venezuela. Democracy, a system of government in which eligible members in the population vote to elect their elected representatives, and the party or individual who obtains the majority votes from the government. Example, India, USA, France. Republic, a state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives, and which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarch. Example, India, Australia. The term democracy is derived from Greek words demos meaning people and kratia meaning power. Thus, literally, democracy means the power of the people. Abraham Lincoln, one of the presidents of USA, defines democracy as a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Kudavole system was a very notable and unique feature of the village administration of the Cholas. Forms of democratic government. Parliamentary form of government. Example, India, England. Electorate, legislative, executive. Presidential form of government. Example, USA, France. Electorate, executive, legislature. Two houses of parliament, Lok Sabha, lower house, or house of people. Rajya Sabha, upper house, council of states. The Parliament House in India was designed by the British architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. In 1912 to 39, construction began in 1921 and ended in 1927. The first elections in democratic India. General elections to the first Lok Sabha since independence were held in India between 25 October 1951 and 21 February 1952. The Indian National Congress emerged victorious by winning 364 of the 489 seats. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first democratically elected Prime Minister of the country. 1952, India's first general elections. British India, general elections. 1920. General elections were held in British India in 1920 to elect members to the Imperial Legislative Council and the Provincial Councils. They were the first elections in the country's history. 1. A system of government in which one person reigns supreme, usually a king or queen, is called dash. Answer, monarchy. 2. A system of government by one person with absolute power. Answer, autocracy. When a country is governed by a few privileged, the form of government is called answer, republic. 4. Former Soviet Union is an example for dash. Answer, oligarchy. 5. Select the odd one. Answer, Vatican. 6. Abraham Lincoln was the president of the dash. Answer, USA. 7. Kudavole system was followed by answer, Cholas. 8. Direct democracy in olden times existed by answer, in the republics of ancient India. 9. In which country has democracy originated? Answer, Athens. 10. From which language was the term democracy derived? Answer, Greek. 11. In democracy, the final authority rests with answer, the people. 12. Which one of the country has presidential form of government? Answer, Canada. 13. The largest democratic country in the world is answer, India. 14. Assertion A. Direct democracy is practiced in Switzerland. Reason are people directly participate in decision making. Answer, both A and R are true and R explains A. 15. Assertion A. India has parliamentary form of democracy. Reason are Indian parliament comprises two houses. Answer, both A and R are true and R does not explain A. 16. The meaning of franchise is answer, right to vote. 17. The grant of universal franchise creates answer, political equality. 18. Prime Minister of India is appointed by answer, President. 19. The President of India can nominate answer, 12 members to Rajya Sabha. 20. The first general elections after independence in India were held in answer 1952.